Today I'm working on this Kia Soul. This is a 2014, and this process will be the same for most Souls. I am doing the cabin air filter in here. So we go into the glove box, open that, then there's a nice little thing. It says air filter here. Pull straight down on this, and you got to give it a good tug, just like that. And the reason you want to pull down is there are these tabs on the back. They hook in like this, and then this is what pops out. So we get rid of that, and then we'll look in here. Let me adjust my light. So next up, we have a tab, this tab here, and this, you squeeze this. It's gonna be hard with my hands, and pull down at the same time. Boom. So, and I'll show you a closer up of that because that's kind of hard to see. So this squeezes up, and then you pull down on the whole thing. This side was broken, but yeah, you kind of pinch and pull down at the same time on both sides. This side got broken off at some point, but yeah, grab these, pinch, pull down, and this reveals our air filter. Now, as you pull this out, make sure you see which side the airflow is on. Now this thing's pretty dirty. Holy cow. So we pull it to the side. Before you pull the air filter all the way out of the car, look at the airflow. You can also tell that the airflow is down because all the dirt is on this side and all the clean air comes out of this side. Make sure you check your filter direction so it's in the proper way. So here's our new air filter. Airflow is down. Sometimes the markings can be confusing because it'll say this side up, but this guy just slides in there. We take our opening here. These tabs have to go up in, and then it pops into place. Up into here. So once you make sure these hooks are in, you just push in, and these clips will pop into place. Then we have our cover here. These tabs are the back right here. So those fit in, and you can read air filter right there. So those fit in just like that. And then, yeah, you pop those in and you're all done. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.